I'm going to show you how to make a Chick-fil-A sandwich at home using marinated boneless chicken thigh. Even though I love Chick-fil-A, I literally eat Chick-fil-A once a week because of my kids, the end result, well, it was shocking. Let's go ahead and make that delicious crunchy batter for our chicken. Let's start off with 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. All right, and we're also going to get 1 tablespoon of flour next. So this batter, you can use it on seafood, you can use it on chicken. It's all the same. It's all really, really good. So this is what I always do. Here's the 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix it in really good. And this is the fun part, guys. We're going to go ahead and crack an egg and whisk it. And we just need 1 egg for what we're doing here, all right? Don't go crazy putting 20 eggs, bro. All right, so 1 egg is going to do it. Now let's go ahead and get our panko. Put it in a dish like this. You can put it in anything you want. Put it in your hand. Put it on the table. I don't care. All right. So get yourself some paprika and put it in your dry powder and go ahead and mix this. Don't snort this, by the way. All right. Now get yourself your boneless chicken leg meat and go ahead and make sure it's very coated evenly all around. This is going to let the egg stick more to the chicken. And then once you put it in the panko, it's really going to stick. So this is a 3-step process. It's very simple to do. And like I said, you can use this on shrimp, you can use this on fish, you use this on chicken to make anything fried. Tastes super delicious, all right? So make sure you got enough panko, get all the insides, move the chicken around. You don't want a piece with no panko because then the chicken batter, the crunchy part, is going to fall apart when you fry it. So make sure it's very coated. If you got to add more, go ahead and add more like I did here. And I was making this for my son and myself. My son likes his Chick-fil-A plain. So here's some oil. I put some corn oil, regular corn oil. You can use whatever you want. So go ahead and throw your chicken on there. This thing's going to take you about 15 to 20 minutes on medium low. So make sure that there's bubbles coming out. That's how you know it's hot enough. If there's no bubbles coming out, then you're not frying, all right? So that's just a very simple tip there. And make sure it's completely fried. You don't want to overcook this thing, so don't put it on high heat, whatever you do. That's a big mistake because then the chicken's going to be raw. You're going to ruin it. So if one's done before the other, take it out, pull it out. Now get yourself some oil, put your buns on there, and toast both sides to these buns. Give it a flip, a kick flip. All right, so once these buns are done, pull them off, put it to the side, get yourself a knife, and cut this into what you think will fit into that bun. So I just cut them into sections. You can see how juicy that chicken is, and it is fully cooked. So we're golden right here. I'm going to cut it into 3 sections because I made 3 sandwiches. This one here was for my son. It's plain as you see, but he said he loved it. So that's a dad win right there. So get yourself some spicy mayo. This is my sandwich I'm assembling. I got some fresh pickle and I just chopped it up. If you don't love pickles, just stop watching this already. As a matter of fact, unsubscribe. I love pickles. No, I'm just playing. Don't unsubscribe. Please don't unsubscribe. All right, so get yourself some cheddar cheese and then put it on top of that chicken. Cook it on your pan. Get your pickles. I put some chipotle sauce on top of the pickles, which is delicious. And then this is your sandwich assembled, you guys. I love my sandwiches plain, as you know. Now, let's go see how it tastes. Let's go ahead and try this bad boy. Chick-fil-A ain't got nothing on this. If you like the video on the Chick-fil-A sandwich, then you're definitely gonna like this next video. I made a fish fillet sandwich just like McDonald's, so check it out.